Hi guys, welcome to today's episode on J Kusenga Farm. And today we are going to talk more about apple branching. Let us diverge into it.
Apple trees need to be managed very well, and you need to start at the ground level. So you need to train the tree in a branching way in which it will serve you for long and it will help you in good production. So in training your tree to branch very well, what you do is we have two um, major ways on how you train your tree. Number one is an horizontal way. So your apple should be this horizontally, the branches should be horizontally, or we call it lateral trained. Number two, we have this way, which is single ladder, all vertical way. Vertical way means that you train one branch of the tree to be very straight and having looking like a ladder. Okay, so number one, like in this tree, this one you can see we have many kamba we call it ropes. So we have tied some ropes in the tree so that we can make them come down like this one. But this is our single ladder. So in this single ladder, what we're doing, we want this to grow very straight also as it removes more branches as it grows. So this one is an example of the lateral um, or the horizontal branching we want, like this stem, this stem. Also this one we need to bring it down here so that it can be around here. So this means this branch will remove many fruits. This another many fruits. This another many fruits. Even the air circulation is very good in the tree, and even in general management of apple, it will be easier for you to manage them and even to detect pests and diseases. And even the other, this one, the Sigulander, which is going up to the sky, because the sky is the limit. So which is going to the sky, you can find it also forming new other lateral branches as it continues, so that your apple tree can carry as many fruits as possible.
That is it from J Kusenga Farm. I hope that we have learned about apple branching and the advantages and benefits that come with it. For example, the lateral branching helps the tree to carry more fruits. The vertical branching helps it to produce more branches, which produce more fruits, and it even assists in aeration.